What are the characteristics of the best carpet cleaning company? Are you looking for the best carpet cleaning company in Melbourne? To do so, you need to know the characteristics of the best in the business. It should be a fully insured company. All its cleaning experts have to be licensed and the best. It should conduct eco-friendly cleaning. It should have the latest tools. It should offer customized cleaning. It should be affordable. Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne has all these qualities, and that makes us one of the best. So what better name should you opt for than us, as we are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners by Australian Enterprise? Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.